Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 10845 Lacklink. She had a problem with the sewer backing up. She's had another company out here cabling it. They went from a floor drain in the basement, getting so far saying they were hitting mud and that the line was apparently broken. So I came out here. I guess they tried from out here, couldn't get all the way in. But I came out here, I got my camera in there, and I seen there was a bunch of roots. This line runs around the back side of the house here. Goes around the side and 90s over to the back of the house and goes in. So I was able to cable it out with a big 4-inch cutter, got all the way cleaned up that cast iron transition where it comes a 4-inch cast and a 6-inch pipe out here in the yard. And then I went in again with a 2-inch cutter and cleaned up that cast iron. So I was able to get all the way to the bottom of the stack. I didn't pull any mud back. It seemed like the line's intact to me. We're going to go ahead and run my camera through here and show you what this line looks like. Yeah, we're out here in the front yard. I do have water running. That's why you're seeing all this water. I got a bathtub running down there, like a kitchen sink. So that's where that water's from. Usually that pipe will be dry. So there's no belly or anything like that in there. Right in here earlier is where I was hitting roots. Right around it, or some roots there. You got to turn here. This is where it's turned towards the house. Right in here is where I was hitting roots earlier. I was only able to get to right about here. There were so many roots it wouldn't let my camera pass any further. Like I said, I augered it out with a 4-inch cutter. As you see, I've cut these roots back pretty good. There's only a little bit pieces left there on the sides. There's a turn here. It's turning and going to the transition. And here we are at the 4-inch cast iron transition. This is where it goes into the house. I'm unable to push up to the house right now, but it looks like it's pretty good. She does have a lot of stack covered up with a bunch of stuff in the basement, so I'm unable to get the access in the basement. But like I said, I got about 80 feet of cable in there, and the stack's not very far from this transition. It's coming right out of the back of the house, and the bathroom's only like 15 feet or something. So I ended up getting 80 in there, and I believe we did hear the cable going up the stack. So I believe the cast iron's going to be in pretty decent shape. Just had a bunch of roots in here. They were running a smaller cable, so they weren't able to cut these roots back as good as I was. I was running big heavy steel cable. So keep pulling back. Build up on the top there, and there's a turn there that had a little bit of roots grown in. At one time I did, like I said, I was able to cut them back a little bit. Here we are where they've repaired this and put this clean out in the front yard. Here I am at the riser pipe. We'll go ahead and run out to the main. I'll be right back.